I'm yours truly, Eddie GZ, back with another video. So I've been getting a lot of requests. People's been asking me, can you do a video about the top 5 things that you love about your Honda Accord 2018 10th generation? So I said, you know, why not? I mean, there's more than 5 things I love about my Honda, but if it's only 5, let's go ahead and break it down. Okay, first and foremost, one thing about this car that I love the most is the interior. Look how clean it is. They set it up in a way where it's super roomy on the inside. I love the fact that they got the 7-inch tablet right here in the middle. Everything is within range, easy to control, super roomy. I have a friend who's 6'5", and he sat in the back about a week ago, and he fit perfectly fine. So that's number 5. And then number 4, I gotta say, number 4 favorite feature with this ride is the suspension and the handling. This car is amazing. The fact that I paid $22,900 for this car and it handles super well. I had it lowered about an inch. That, you know, makes it better in terms of handling. But as it is, when it was stock, I was loving it. And that was the number 4 thing that I love about this car. Number 3, believe it or not, okay? You guys are probably gonna go like, what is so special about this car that you like? The trunk. The trunk is amazing. It is super roomy. See, I'm in the furniture business. I've loaded up a nice coffee table in the back, and it fits perfectly fine. It is a little bit bigger than the last generation, but the trunk space is very spacious. You're gonna love this if you need a lot of extra room in the back. Number 2, one of my favorite feature from Honda is the Honda Sensing. Okay, the Honda Sensing is so awesome that it keeps everyone safe on the road. Nowadays, everybody's on their phone, texting, calling, you know. Sometimes you just can't avoid that. So with the Honda Sensing, Honda made it standard on each and every trim. And big ups to Honda for making it safe for each and everybody out there on the roadways. Number 1 favorite about this ride is the front grille. The front grille looks so awesome. I mean, that's probably one of the main reasons why I decided to get me a Honda Accord with this 10th generation. Actually, I went ahead and traded in my 9th generation to get this 10th generation Honda because of the front grille. It just looks so magnetic. It looks so slick. It kind of reminds you of the Dodge Charger. Some people think it looks like a Mazda, but you know, everybody's got their own style. But there it is. Those are the top 5 things I love about my Honda. If you're gonna ask me one more thing, I love the engine. Yeah, I do have the small engine, 1.5 turbo, but getting ready to put the K-tuner on it. I know it's not gonna be as fast as the 2.0, but it does the job. You know, you're a married man, you don't need to go really super fast. So we're gonna have some bonus clip, some rolling shots on the freeway, just a little bit of it. So thank you so much for checking out my channel. Yours truly, Eddie GZ. Go ahead and press that like button if you enjoyed this video, and we will catch you guys later. Peace, we out.